Hi, and welcome to my channel Coaching Success podcast. In today's episode, I would like to speak about how to set up goals in 2023. First, my name is Eva, and I am a qualified life coach. Today, I would like to talk about how to set up goals for the new year ahead. The only way to achieve your goals is to consistently take action towards them. Every day, no matter how small is the step, remember where you want to be. I hope you're having a great holiday season and feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the new year. As we all know, the start of a new year is a time when many people of set up goals for ourselves. It is about get a chance to reflect on the past year and think about what we want to achieve in the next coming month. Goal New Year resolutions, whether it's getting fit, learning a new skill, or simply being more organized or starting your new YouTube channel. Setting goals can be a great way to motivate yourself and make positive changes in our life. In this video, we will be talking about goals and how to set up tips and tricks. Okay, so grab a notepad and pen and we will discuss how, why they are important and how to set up them and some tips and tricks for sticking to them. So grab a cup of coffee and let's start it. Okay, so why goals are important? First, goals and resolutions are important because they give us direction and purpose. They help us focus our energy and efforts on things that matter to us and that we want to achieve. Setting goals also allows us to track our progress and see the progress we made over time. So the best framework for goals, we call it smart goals. So the goal has to be specific, it has to be measurable, it has to be attainable, it has to be relevant, and it has to be time bound. Smart goals are a popular tool used to help people set and achieve their objectives. First, be specific. Now, let's talk about how to set effective goals. First, it is important to make sure your goals are specific and achievable. For example, instead of setting a goal to losing weight, try setting a goal to lose 10 pounds in 3 months by exercising 3 times a week and eating a healthy diet. This specific goal is more actionable and gives you a clear idea of what you need to do to achieve it. Second, be measurable. A measurable goal allows you to track your progress and see how close you are to achieving it. It should include quantifiable details such as 10 pounds and 3 weeks, for example. Third, be attainable. An attainable goal is realistic and achievable given your current resources and constraints. While it should stretch you, it shouldn't be so ambitious that it is impossible to achieve. Number four, be relevant. A relevant goal is important and meaningful to you. It should align with your values and long term goals. And number five, be time bound. A time bound goal has a specific timeline for completion. This helps you to stay focused and motivated and gives you a sense of urgency to take action. So, using a SMART goals framework can help you to set up clear, achievable objectives and increase your chances of success. Remember, it is important to review and adjust your goals as needed to ensure they remain relevant and attainable. A few things to consider. So, now that you know how to set up goals, I will give you some tips for sticking to your goals. Here you are. First, write down your goals. Having a physical reminder of your goals can help keep them to on the top of your mind and make them feel more tangible. Second, share your goals with your others. Telling someone else about your goals can provide accountability and support as you working toward them. Third, break your goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This can help you to stay focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Number four, celebrate your progress. It's important to recognize and reward yourself for the progress you make, no matter how small. This can help keep you motivated and encourage you to keep going. And five, be flexible. Life happens and sometimes things don't go as planned. Don't be afraid to adjust your goals as needed or even start over if necessary. The important thing is to keep moving forward and do not get discouraged. I hope you liked this video and please click a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope these tips and tricks help you to set your goals and stick in it in your new year. Remember, the key is to be patient, consistent, and committed, and you will be well on your way to achieving all that you set out to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.